Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essential checks. Make sure the 2V threshold is met and the car is secure. Once done, turn the ignition to on but do not start the engine because the ECU needs power without engine load. You will use the ODO/trip button and cluster controls to trigger the reset sequence. Have a flashlight to read indicators. Next, identify whether the warning is ABS, brake, or hybrid system. That determines the exact reset path. Now you do the hands-on sequence. Press and hold the ODO/trip button until the display toggles to trip or diagnostic mode. This engages the cluster's reset routine. For ABS or stored codes, cycle ignition OFF, then on while holding the designated button to clear codes. This forces the system scan and clears soft faults. For hybrid system lights, use the 10-second hold and watch for a blink pattern. When the light blinks or resets, release and confirm the cluster shows normal status. Finish by starting the Prius and letting systems initialize for 1 to 2 minutes. You want to confirm the lights stay off during a self-check. If a warning returns, connect an OBD2 scanner and read the stored fault codes. Write them down before clearing, because codes point to root causes. If clearing codes doesn't work, make sure the 12V battery and relevant fuses are healthy, and inspect sensor connectors for corrosion. If you still see warnings, consult a technician with the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.